Halo, salam lestari. Mari menuju sertifikasi agar hutan kita lestari. In this part of the video, I will share about coding the outsourcing process for FSC order. If the company will apply on the FSC certification, some of their process maybe not have a facility. Like, let's say the company not have facility kiln dry, the company not have facility of the laminating, the company not have the process cutting and others process. So what's the solution to get the FSC certified? One the company that not has a machine or not has a facility of some of the part process, they can do the outsourcing of process production. It means there is part of the process starting receive material until finished good. Process on the outside of the outside of the mill. Like example, if company number one will be outsourcing, let's say, processing of cutting log to another company. This means that this company number one outsourcing process production for cutting log in company number two. This is process outsourcing, should be included in the scope of the certificate. Why this company number two could be defined as outsourcing process? Because the company number one will be pay or some of the invoice to company number two regarding the service they get. Let's say service for the cutting of the log, service of the warehouse, service of the printing processing. So company number one will be paid to company number two according to service with amount of the USD dollar or current money. In this situation, all the material is originally is our company number one, not company number two. Number two only the processing of service, cutting log or printing. What the effect for this scenario? If there is process for the some of the material coming to the company number two, so the invoice should be clearly statement is only the service or outsourcing service, not the buy of the material. And the contract should be also clearly. This is a term of the business between company number one and number two. And company number two no need to FSC certified. No need, because company number two is only the service on the sub of the part of process production for company number one. This means company number two no need to certification. Company number two only process service, and company number two is not the supplier of the raw material. But in the case that if the company number two sells and delivery of raw material to company number one, it could be a supplier, not the outsourcing process. Hopefully it will be too clearly for you, and if you will be applied to the certificate, so it's the possibility to make some option outsource processing in another company. And the other question is what requirement and what the standard and what the document and what the support documents will be you have when you have a processing production. It will be shared in another video, so please comment if you need what document and what the process and what should be do if you want to processing service on another factory. So please comment in my video, and I will let you know the detail how to set up and how to make clearly step to processing process. In the term of processing process, we talking is not outsourcing for manpower. It is outsourcing the process of production. So it's don't be confused and don't be misunderstanding according this define outsourcing manpower and this define outsourcing process. In the term my explain is only for the FSC raw material process production, not the outsourcing of manpower. This is my share according outsourcing process. Hopefully my explanation and my share will be helpful to you to understand if the company not have some on the process production. And the last, if you will use another company as outsourcing process, you must inform to certificate body that you will use outsourcing process, and the outsourcing process must be recording clearly the name and the address, the contact person, what do you process, and how to reach process in the outsourcing. Yeah, so it is enough my sharing. If you more according the outsourcing process, how to set up, how to manage, and what's the document and what are the information should be you have before apply the FSC certification with the outsourcing process. Thank you for watching my video, and salam lestari. Mari menuju sertifikasi agar hutan kita tetap lestari. Terima kasih.